Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Faith dancing, and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be doing a protein treatment, but first I will shampoo my hair with the Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean moisturizing shampoo and the Main Choice 4-leaf clover shampoo. The protein treatment that I will be using today is the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. After that I will be going in with the Aphogee's balancing moisturizer to make sure that everything is manageable, soft, and balanced. It made more sense to me to put my Aphogee treatment in a spray bottle because it's way less messier. Please, if you try this out, use a spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know now, this stuff stink like bad. Like, don't even smell it. This is what it's looking like, nothing special. So now I'm just gonna take down my turban. So for those of you who want to know why I am doing this harsh protein treatment, look at my hair. Like, the elasticity ain't all the way there. Curls isn't popping like how I used to. I think that Jerry curl kind of has something to do with it, but we'll see. Honestly, I just think my hair just needs a hard reset, like needs something to shake it back because it just wasn't acting normal. Don't get me wrong, all the other Shea Moisture protein treatments and Mielle protein treatments, they're enough, but they're not enough to actually help your hair all the way when it's like heat damage or your porosity has changed or anything like that. You need a protein treatment like this. Now they say to comb it out, but baby girl, who is about to comb this protein treatment that hardens up in their hair? Not my type 4 hair, high density hair. I'll just be raking it through my hands. I'm fine with that. Basically, a long story short, my hair was just feeling very soggy and not strong at all, and that is the purpose of this protein treatment, to bring back the strength in my hair. I would most definitely recommend doing a protein treatment once or twice a year depending on how your hair is. You really just have to examine your hair, see if it's too moisturized, see if it's a little limp, and if it is, then that's your key to knowing that, hey, I need to go ahead and slap a protein treatment in my hair ASAP. When dealing with this protein treatment, I would recommend doing small sections, or just enough so you can get your hands raking through it, because you got to move a little fast because it's going to start drying on you and it's going to be hell to rake through your hair. So this is it applied to my hair. It is very sticky, stiff, and I can't wait to see how this turns out. I'm ready for my hair to shake back. Okay, so on the bottle it says, do not use a plastic cap. Seat Klein under a medium heated dryer. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used. So basically your hair should not be manipulated while it's drying. Woo, you girls looking scary, but this is what it looks like, fully dry, all crunchy and dry. So now I'm about to go ahead and rinse it out. So I just rinsed out all of the protein treatment, and now I'm about to apply the balancing moisturizer to balance out my pH. Now when I tell y'all I slapped that all through my hair, like for real, I just wanted to make sure my hair had the proper balance and I was not holding back. directions say to leave it on for about 2 minutes, but I'm probably gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and slap my hot head on just so I can let everything sit and marinate. Yes, there's my cute hot head. Shout out for y'all. I also have a video and a review on my hot head. I will leave it up in the cards above, but yes, I'll be back and show you guys my results. Here is a little snippet from my Instagram. Y'all go follow me at curlygirlfaith. This is the ending results and how my hair turned out. You really reap the benefits of how your hair feel, not necessarily of how it looks. It's supposed to feel stronger and also be stronger. If you have not gotten anything from this video, I need y'all to please add protein treatments into y'all regimen. Do that for me and we're good. Well, this is the end of the video. I just did a braid out using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian collection, and my hair is shaking back. Like, I really love how it's acting right now. If you guys found this video helpful in any kind of way, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. See y'all in the next video.